Hi everybody, and nice to meet you again. This is our recipe for this week. Make sure to put the right ingredients used in this recipe in order to get a delicious dish so crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. These lentil patties are better than meat. Protein-rich, easy vegan recipe. It's so delicious that I cook it almost every day. The tastiest patties recipe I have ever tried. So few people know this high-protein recipe and cook lentils like that. Simple and easy recipe everyone can make at home. The most tender vegan patties that melt in your mouth. Learn how to make patties at home. It's delicious, easy, and quick recipe. Remember that lentils are a highly nutritious food with various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. The fiber and protein content in lentils make them beneficial for weight management, blood sugar regulation, and supporting overall gut health. The lentils can decrease in cholesterol levels due to the high fiber content. Low glycemic index and high fiber content can help regulate blood sugar levels for those with diabetes. Good source of folate, which is important for women who are pregnant or thinking of trying to become pregnant. And it's a good source of iron. That's all. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.